It is beach time, and I am right now at Playa de Canuela. That's right on the outskirts of Malaga and where the Torremolinos city begins actually. So I decided to check more beaches going south from Malaga towards Torremolinos. And yes, this is a nice beach actually, and I guess it is very popular in the summer. But on this 8th of December, it's pretty empty. It is 1:30 p.m. right now, 18 degrees Celsius in the air, and around 15 degrees in the water. So I'm exploring, and I'm gonna check later also some more beaches there in Torremolinos. But yeah, it's the third beach of the day, and yeah, I'm gonna explore some more now. And it's in these episodes from Malaga, I'm also telling you one interesting fact in every episode. And for this episode, the fact is that Malaga is one of the oldest city in the world. Dates from 770 before Christ, and it was actually established by the Phoenicians. So one of the oldest cities in the world. That's the extent. Then let's check the water, how it is. It's the same actually, because the previous beach I visited, it was about 2 kilometers away from here. So it's basically the same type of beach and same type of water. There are some people walking by the beach, and we have some wind also right now as well. And from here we can also see also much better the airplanes that are landing in Malaga airport. So yeah, I'm gonna explore as many beaches as I can this weekend. And what a blessing it is to have some sun. And I hope I'm not gonna burn, because there wasn't much sun in Sweden, and even if it was, it's not that hot and warm like here in Malaga, Spain. So yeah, have you been ever to Malaga or Torremolinos or some of the other cities here around? One of them is Marbella, nearby is also Nerja. So this whole coast has lots of sun throughout the year. You can see how it is. And the sky looks a bit pretty with a few clouds here and there, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, cool. Let's then dive in. Yes, just to mention that the bottom here is sand. Despite having stones there at the entrance, it is sandy bottom here, so that's great. And let's dive in. Amazing. It's so beautiful. Huh. Beach adventure in December. Yeah, that's right. Only on my channel. So, yes, I'm going to enjoy a bit more here in the sun and continue soon to the next beach for another episode. But until then, thanks a lot for watching, and see you soon again with another Beach Adventures from Malaga on the channel. Beach Adventures with Kris!